In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password protected page in Wix, ensuring you can secure certain parts of your website for a specific audience. This process is straightforward and doesn't require much technical know-how. Whether you want to hide sensitive information or provide exclusive content to your members, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's jump right in and start by accessing your Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once there, navigate to the upper left corner where you'll find the Manage Pages menu. This section is your control center for all the pages on your site, allowing you to organize and modify them as needed. After opening the Manage Pages menu, you'll need to select the specific page you wish to protect with a password. It could be a new page you've created or an existing one that now requires restricted access. Once you've decided on the page, click on it to bring up its settings and properties. Next, look for the Settings option. Clicking on this will open a new set of configuration choices related to that specific page. Here, you're given the flexibility to adjust various elements, but today, our focus is on adding a password. Navigate to the area labeled Password Holders. This is where you will set the password that users need to enter before they can view the page. Choose a strong password that is easy for your intended audience to remember, but hard for others to guess. This could be anything from a simple word or phrase to a combination of letters and numbers. Make sure it's something you're comfortable sharing with the people you want to have access. After entering your desired password, take a moment to review your changes. It's important to double-check not only the password itself, but also ensure that all other settings align with your goals for the page. When satisfied, be sure to save your changes by closing the settings window. This step is crucial, as failing to save will require you to repeat the entire process. Finally, it's always a good idea to test your newly secured page to confirm everything is functioning as expected. Click on the Preview option to simulate how visitors will interact with your site. This step will show you the password prompt in action and allow you to verify that the protection works seamlessly. If everything looks good and the page prompts for a password, you've successfully set up a password protected page. And there you have it. You've now secured a part of your website, adding a layer of privacy and exclusivity for your users. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your Wix site.